ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Menteri Ketenat Pule Putih Jongka Sorkar Jela Rakkam Sangma. Ulakan tu ya ke Department of Library and Information Science Jongka Skulba Northeastern Hill University bakadai banbu Jingthoh Shapanga Kolshor jongki Riewlum Ritpai kenang bakin nomja kerteng bat ban kentiu ru ya ki par jingtip jongki Riewlum hagi skul. Ya kani, Menteri Ulapan Pau habakren kumu kongsan haga program balapan long daga Department of Library and Information Science ka skul bat nehu rengkat ka jingetre lang bat ka Indian Council of Social Science Research Northeastern Regional Center Halor Kapang Capacity Building of Library Professionals in the Digital kabalalong haka arpunyo tarik unay wing arhajar arpulay hakabalay simentarik samla puli ka Library Science nehu kinong hikay bat udike nayak o bapet sipor kum Vice Chancellor ka nehu.
We know that India is a diverse country with so much complexity and 1.3 billion people speaking 22 official languages. There are so many unofficial languages, and I don't know why it has to be official and unofficial. But belonging to various religions, cultures, and then religions, particularly in the Northeast, this diversity is even more so. We are a country of development, transformation, and our influence to global politics is on the rise. And in this context, libraries, no matter how big or small, or what type of libraries we have to play a vital role in providing access to information, knowledge and education for all segments of society, and particularly to the marginalized and underprivileged ones. Libraries also support our national goal of social inclusion, economic growth and cultural preservation. However, to fulfill these roles, the huge roles that library has, libraries also face many challenges. I think no library so far has been, to mention one thing, has a surplus budget. We are always living on a shoestring. So, among these challenges, there are things that add towards the challenges, like the digital age has brought in new tools and technology, such as the internet, mobile devices, which is capable of doing almost everything, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, big data, that have revolutionized the way information is created, stored, accessed, and used. I just mentioned artificial intelligence. Though it is in the developing stage, we are already using it. Most probably tomorrow, I may not stand as a professor here, and artificial intelligence may be standing in my place. So, the emergence of this new group, new users, such as the digital natives who are born in the digital age, the millennials, the rural masses, and then the farmers. You know, we have such a deviation, such a variety, and where the needs, expectation, and behavior of information usage also diversified. So, and then to top it all, we have increased competition and collaboration among information providers and stakeholders. So, these challenges and opportunities require library professionals develop and strengthen their skills, knowledge, competencies in various areas such as information literacy, digital literacy, data management, user engagement, service design, leadership, just to mention a few. So this is what we mean by capacity building, which is the process of developing and strengthening the abilities of individuals, not only individual librarians, but organizations and the library system itself to perform effectively and to achieve the goals which is in our front. Today, among all these requirements, what we will be covering in this one-week training program, we have services for differently abled users in academic libraries, which will be delivered by Dr. Abdul Baq.
One-week workshop program on capacity building of library professionals in the digital environment. So digital environment, as we already know, it's a both very difficult and one of the easiest. But we have to understand both the merit and the demerit. Let us ready to face any kind of challenges in this very different, challenging world scenario. Technological generation, it is important for us to understand our weaknesses and also the strength that we have. We have weaknesses. Let us redesign, let us reconcile, let us reshape what weaknesses that we have and the what strength we have. Let us continue to improve more. Let the world inspire with the profession that you have. Let the world acknowledge with the profession that you presented to others.
So libraries, once considered repositories of physical books and journals, have now become dynamic hubs of digital knowledge, offering a vast array of electronic resources and services. This transformation has presented both challenges and opportunities for library professionals, demanding that we continuously adapt and enhance our skills to effectively serve our users in this ever-changing digital world. Capacity building, therefore, emerges as an essential strategy for empowering library professionals to navigate the complexities of the digital environment. It encompasses a range of initiatives aimed at developing the knowledge, skill, and competencies necessary to operate effectively in this new paradigm. Effective capacity building programs should focus on equipping library professionals with a strong foundation in digital literacy, including proficiency in computer applications, information retrieval techniques, and digital content creation tools. Additionally, it is crucial to foster an understanding of emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, something which on this journey of capacity building, it is essential to recognize the importance of collaboration and partnerships. Libraries should work together to share resources, develop expertise, and create a supportive learning environment for their staff. Additionally, partnerships with universities, research institutions, and technology companies can provide access to cutting-edge knowledge and expertise. Capacity building is not merely a response to the demands of the digital age, it's an investment in the future of the library profession. By empowering library professionals with the necessary skills and knowledge, we ensure that libraries remain vital centers of learning, innovation, and connection in a rapidly changing